morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday. Yes! It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. I love Friday, Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, I love Friday. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Summer Shed School with me, Mr. Bates. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, and it's Friday. Did I mention that? It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. What are you doing this weekend? Now, I've got a feeling lots of people will be going camping this weekend. Because everyone's going camping. Everyone I know is just going off camping. It sounds awesome. I want to go camping. Oh, well, I'll tell you what I'm doing this weekend. I am looking after Mabel, the dog, because she still can't go outside. She's still too young. So we've still got another 2 weeks until we can take her out for walks. And then we can go dog camping. Oh yeah, camping, camping, camping. What are you up to this weekend? Do let me know. I do like to know what you guys are doing over the weekend. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, welcome to everybody. Let's see who we've got in the shed today. Good morning to Anya. Good morning. Good morning to Michael, Zach and Theo. Morning, chaps. Morning. Morning to Arthur. Morning, Arthur. Morning to Amelia. Good morning to you. Good morning. Amelia? Yeah, I got that right. Morning to Milo. Morning, Milo. Morning to Arush. Arush is here as well. Good morning to you all. I hope you're all doing well. Fantastic. Obviously, if you are here, let me know via the comments box. So lovely. I love a Friday. It's been a bit of a long week, I feel. How's your week been? Has it been a long one for you? Have you had lots of things to do? Lots of things around the house? It's been so thunder and lightning, isn't it? So much thunder and lightning this week. But it's better now. It's calmed, it's cooler. We're back in the shed, which is nice. I'm not sweating my face off, which is really good. I'm not all melty. I'm melting, which is really good. Awesome! Right, well, let's get started with today's lesson. I hope you're ready. All you need is a piece of paper and a pen at home. We have got so much to tackle today, but it's the end of the week, so we've actually tackled most of it this week anyway. It's just recapping on all those little juicy facts. You ready? Let's go. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Oh yeah, let's get ready to learn. Fantastic. Good morning to Juliet and Elliot as well. Good morning to you guys. Right, let's see what we've got coming up in today's show then. We have got, obviously, some fantastic super spellings. Last day of our 16 today. We are going to get 16 out of 16 today, aren't we? Yes, we are. That's what we like. That positivity. Yes, we are. And then we've got some terrific times tables. It's our last day looking at the 6 times table today, counting in sixes. I hope I'm better today because I am not very good, as you know. I need to be practicing a little bit more, as I'm sure you guys have been doing all week. We've got some Mighty Maths, and in Mighty Maths today we are looking at length again. We've been looking at centimetres, we looked at millimetres. Today we're going to be looking at metres. How many metres are in a kilometre? Can you remember? Have a little think. We're going to come back to that later on. Good morning, Manu. Good morning. Good morning too. And some exciting English as well. We've got some exciting English. In English today, we are looking at days of the week. Okay, days of the week. I'm sure you all know the days of the week, but we are just going to recap over them and the order in which they come in. Really good to know. Really important for us to remember. And of course we've got some fantastic phonics. Our phonics sound today is, I tell you what, you're going to have to wait till later on. I'm not going to tell you now because I've been giving it all away. Conrad's here, ready to learn. Fantastic. Good morning, Conrad. Hope you're doing well. Excellent. Let's get ready. Let's get started then. So, big special thanks to our partners. Twinkle, and mums and dads, do have a little look on their website. Twinkle, fantastic resources, lots of home kits, loads of educational bits and pieces with regards to English and maths and science, breaks down lots of stuff. Do check them out, www.twinkle.co.uk, and Whiterose Maths as well for all problem-solving maths. Like I said, it's broken up into key stages, early years, key stage 1, key stage 2. It's really easy and to understand and digest. Have a little look, www.whiterosemaths.com. They are absolutely brilliant. Good morning to Hayley, Ella and Emily as well. Good morning to you ladies. Right, let's get started with a little bit of super spelling this morning. Super spelling.
Super spelling.
Oh yeah, indeed. Some super spellings. Right, let's go. Are you ready for some super spellings? Okay, now if you've been doing these spellings this week and you happen to have them on your piece of paper in front of you, turn your paper over so you cannot see the spellings, okay? Remember, this is for you to test yourself, okay? Willow and Fox are here. Good morning, girls. You're just in time. You're just in time. Girls or boys, I say. Sorry, I don't know. Girls or boys. And Ava's here as well. We've got the whole gang back. The whole gang's back here today. Fantastic. Right, let's give it a go then. So we've got 16 spellings to do today. Remember, try your best. That's all you can do. Try your best. If you get them wrong, it doesn't matter. If you're not sure, have a guess, okay? Remember, sound out those sounds. Sound out the words. I will go through them. I'll read them all again to you at the end. Then we'll mark them, okay? 16, you ready? First one. Number 1 is into. Into.
Into the garden we go,
said the squirrels. They love a garden. They love a garden, don't they? Those little cheeky squirrels. Into. That's number 1. Okay, just try your best. Try your best at spelling these as best as you can. See if we can get 16 and 16. Thank you, Willow and Fox. I thought it was. Thank you. I had it in the back of my head that I thought you were. It's difficult when you can't see them. Normally you see a class and they're in front of you. But when it's just names, you forget. Number 2 is back. Back. Hey, jump on my back, said Willow. And Fox jumped on. Hey! Into is number 1. Number 2 is back. Okay? Number 3. From. From.
from the town square to the park. Takes 20 minutes.
From.
From.
Okay, number 4. Hope you've all got that one. Number 4 is a slightly longer one. It's that children. Children. I've heard of them. I don't know what they are. What are those things, children? I've heard about them. I don't know what they could possibly be. They're children. Children. You guys, children. Okay, children. Child, wren. Good way to remember it. That's how I remember it. Child, wren. Bit of a nonsense one, but hey. Next one, number 5. Him. Him. Him over there. Him. Oh, I really like him on the telly. Oh, I like him with his orange t-shirt and his silly glasses. Oh. Him. That's number 5. Number 6 is Mr. Mr. I hope I'm not going too fast for anybody, but do remember all the videos will be put up on YouTube and on Facebook straight after this stream, so you can re-watch these throughout the day, okay? Throughout the day. Or throughout the week, or throughout the year. The whole year you can re-watch them. That's what they're there for. Number 6 is Mr. Number 7, get. Get.
Get me a goblet of milk, peasant,
said the king. He loves milk, that king. He's the milk king. The milk king of the southwest. He's King Milky. Milky. King Milky, you're here. Sorry. That was number 7, get. It's one of those days. Number 8 is just. Just. Just by the river there was a crocodile. I looked upon the crocodile and saw he had a smile. He snapped at my feet and snapped at my hair. And then we walked along the bank and saw a tiny bear. Oh, that was just number 8. Number 9, now. Now. Number 9 is now. We should leave now. Now. Not later, now. Okay, that's number 9. Number 10 is came. Came. I came to the party with a bow in my hair. Ooh. Came. Came. So we've got 1 into, 2 back, 3 from, 4 children, 5 him, 6 mister, 7 get, 8 just, 9 now, 10 came. We've got 6 more, okay? You ready? You're doing a fantastic job, guys. Really well done. Number 11 is O, as in oh no. Oh no, I've spilt coffee on the new sofa. Oh. Oh. Okay. Number 12. Number 12. About. I'm about to go on my skateboard. Whoa! I'm going to skate about my town. Whoa! I'm not. I'm too old for skateboarding now. I found that out a couple of years ago. But I do go on rollerblades. That's 12, that's about. Number 13 is got. Got. Remember, these are all high frequency words, which means they're the words that we spell quite a lot when we're writing sentences. And it's really good to practice them, just to get them in our heads. Okay? We've got 1 more week, and then you guys would know 100 high frequency words. How cool is that? 100 words we've done over 6 weeks, all in there, in your head. Brilliant. That's number 13, got. Number 14 is there. There. And it's not as in over there, it's their trampoline, their lunch, their belonging to the people or person. Is the person, or is it just the group? There, no, it does belong to the person as well. It's owned by somebody, owned of the object. Their glasses, their hat, their t-shirt. Okay. That's number 14. Number 15, excuse me. Number 15 is people. People. Lots of people around. I went to the beach and saw lots of people. People. Okay, that's number 15. And your last one for today is your. Your last one today is your. Okay? Brilliant. So 1 into, 2 back, 3 was from, 4 was children, 5 was him, 6 was mister, 7 was get, 8 was just, 9 was now, 10 was came, 11 was oh, 12 was about, 13 was got, 14 was there, 15 was people, and 16 was your. Okay, you ready to mark them? I hope so. Let's get going and give them a mark. Remember, give them a tick if you got them right. If you got them wrong, doesn't matter. Just draw a line underneath it and write out the correct spelling next to it. That way, that's the one you need to look at for the rest of the day, okay? Come back to it later, like I said before. If you come back to things just before you go to bed, it's a really, really good time to look over those things because your brain is just about switching off, but it's well enough to just have a little practice or something. Whenever I've got to learn a script or I need to look at something, by reading just before I go to bed, it's the best time because it stays in there all night then. Really, really good. Okay, let's give them a mark then. First one, into. Next one, back. From. Children. So you look like child, wren, or children. Him. Mister, obviously is a proper noun, mister, so it needs a capital M. Get. Just. Now, brown cow came. Split diagraph A in there. Came. O. About. Got. Their. People. Your. And that's your lot. Well done, everybody. How many did you get today? Did you get the 16 out of 16 that you were hoping for? I really hope you did. Do let me know on the comments box on YouTube. Do drop me a message to say you got it. How many you got? I'd love to find out how much you've got today. Brilliant job, guys. Well done. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Awesome stuff. Awesome sauce. Well done. Well done. Well done. Right, let's keep this ball rolling and let's go straight into our lovely times table.
Terrific times tables.
Oh yeah, right, fantastic. Our terrific times tables today. This week we're looking at the 6 times table. That's 6 times table. Tricky. A little bit harder than what we've been doing over the last few weeks. We've done the 5s, we've done the 10s, we've done the 2s, we did 3s last week. We're doing 6s this week, okay, the 6s. Okay, let's go. Let's try and count up from 0 to 60, okay, counting in groups of 6. Oh, now I find this tricky. Let's try and give this a go, okay, ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Yeah! Hey, I'm finding that so much easier now I've been practicing every day. How do you feel about that at home? Hey, you guys are doing brilliantly. Well done. If you're still having trouble with that, don't worry. 6 times tables is hard stuff. Let's try the really hard bit now, counting backwards. Okay, you ready? 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, oh, have I gone wrong? 24, 18, 12, 6, 0. Oh, give yourself a big marshmallow. Well done, well done. God, it's the counting backwards. It is so hard counting backwards. I find that so difficult. I need to practice that more. How did you get on? Did you do it? I hope so. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. Right. Excellent. So let's have a little look over the 6 times table then. So what do we notice? 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 48, 54, 60, and then obviously we've got the 11 and the 12. I don't tend to touch on the 11 and the 12 times table as much as I probably should. It's an extra one that we need to do these days. So 66 and 72 is 12 times 6. Right, what do we notice then? Facts about the 6 times table. Well, we notice we're going up in 6s, aren't we? Really important that we're going up in 6s. It's adding 6 each time. 6 and 6 and 6. It's a hard number to add up, but there's lots of patterns that it follows, which helps us. Okay, the answers end in 6, 2, 8, 4, or 0. That's it. That's the only numbers that it's going to end in the units column, okay? Okay, if I was to count up, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Cool. And then that pattern repeats, doesn't it? It repeats again. 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 with the 0. Okay, so it just follows that pattern. As soon as you've got that pattern in your head, you know your 6 times table because it's going up in those numbers, alright? Perfect. And of course, it is double 3. Okay, so if you know your 3 times table, you indirectly know your 6 times table. So 3 times table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so every other number in the 3 times table, every other total, is that 6 times table, isn't it? Because it's all we know that double 3 is 6. Brilliant. Okay, let's give it a go then, guys. On your whiteboards, on your piece of paper, Give these a go, all right? We're going to go through the 10 as per usual. Give them a go. See how you get on. Like I say, it doesn't matter if you get them wrong. Honestly, it doesn't matter. This is not a test. None of this is testing you. All we're trying to do is help our brain remember stuff. That's not testing it. All we're doing is giving our brain some more food to eat. It's giving us some numbers to eat. It's giving us some letters to eat. That's why we're covering it in awesome sauce, because it's just delicious. It's good for our brains to exercise. No different than if you were doing a push-up on the floor to strengthen your muscles in your body. The way that we strengthen our muscles in our head is by practicing, by giving it tasks that are slightly hard to do. Okay, 6 times 6. On your piece of paper, on your whiteboard, write the answer for me. 4 times 6. 4 times 6. 6, add 6, add 6, add 6. If you're not sure, think about that pattern. 6, 12, 2, 18, 8. What's after that? Okay. 1 times 6.
I don't know what this one is because it's really difficult, Mr. Bates.
Ooh. I love a 1 times 6 because it's so easy. 1 times a group of numbers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, man. 10 times 6, again. A 10 times 6, come on. Come on then. We know. Yeah, what? What? You said what? You know it.
You know it, don't you? You know which one that one is. Well done.
8 times 6. Now, 8 times 6, harder. But think of that pattern. Think about what you can do to get to there. Okay, if you're not too sure what 8 times 6 is, you do know what 10 times 6 is. Okay, then you could take away one lot of 6. What would that give you? That would give you 9 times 6. And then take away another 6. Okay? Try that. It's a good way of manipulating number. If you're still not sure, 6, add another 6, add another 6, add another 6, 8 times. Okay? Okay, next one. Let me know if I'm going too quick, guys. But we're on Friday. We should be in a good position now. Okay, 7 times 6. Ugh, 7 times 6. If you know what 8 times 6 is, take away another group of 6. Okay? That way it'll give you the answer, won't it? Use the knowledge you already know. Let that help you get to the next stage, okay? That's all maths is. It's using pre-existing knowledge, which means use stuff that's in your brain already. You know what 5 times 6 is. And you might know what 2 times 6 is. Add the answers together. That's going to give you 7 times 6, isn't it? Okay? 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Okay? Again, if you're not sure what 5 times 6 is, but you know your 10 times is, you know your 10 times table, what's 10 times 6? Well, that gives you 6, do. And then half it. What's half of 6, do? Okay? Use that knowledge that we've already got in there to help you get to the answers. 2 times 6. 2 times 6. 9 times 6. Now that's a tricky one. Remember, you can always take a 6, leave a 6 away. You can always leave a 6 away. I've got toothpaste on my chin. Why didn't anybody tell me? Always happens. That's 9 times 6, okay? And 3 times 6. 3 times 6, 3 times 6. Again, if you know what 2 times 6 is, just add another group of 6 to that. Use that pre-existing knowledge. Okay? You're doing a fantastic job, guys. I'm really impressed so far. Honestly, you're doing a fantastic job. I think that's the last one. Yeah, of course it is. Well done. So, just to recap on the questions that we've had. 6 times 6. That's got a lovely rhyme to it, that one. 6 times 6 is Okay. 4 times 6. 1 times 6. 10 times 6. 8 times 6. 7 times 6. 5 times 6. 2 times 6. 9 times 6. And 3 times 6. Okay? Should we go through? Should we go through the answers? Let's go through them. Ready? Here we go. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 6 is 6. Remember, give them a tick if you got them right, guys. Well done. If you got them wrong, doesn't matter. Just write a little number next to it. Or write the correct number next to it. Not any number. Write the correct number next to it. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 6 is 48. 7 times 6 is 42. 5 times 6 is 30. Remember, that's half, isn't it? 5 times 6 is half of that. 10 times 6. Might help you. 2 times 6 is 12. That's easy. 6 and another 6. 54 is 9 times 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. 18. 18. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Well done, everybody. Awesome. How many did you get today? Did you get 10 out of 10? Brilliant stuff if you did. Hey, if you didn't, doesn't matter. It's all about practicing, okay? That's the last lesson we're having on the 6 times table today. Well, this week. We're going to be moving on to a different times table next week. But do remember, keep practicing those numbers. The more you practice, the better your brain will be. It's like a huge muscle. We have to exercise it, okay? I'm a culprit. I need to practice it too. As you know, my counting back in 6s is not very good. But at the beginning of the week, I couldn't even count up in 6s. So it's all about practicing, okay? Brilliant, brilliant work. Well done. Awesome. Let's keep going then. Awesome. So we are going to do a little bit of Mighty Maths.
Mighty Maths.
Awesome. Well done. Right, let's have a little look at Mighty Maths today. Mighty Maths. So today in Mighty Maths, we are going to be looking at the topic of length. We're looking at length. We're looking at how long things are, okay, how we measure them. Just to recap on what we've touched upon this week, we've looked at which means, can you remember? Millimeters. They're the tiny ones, aren't they? The really small ones. The ones that are really, really tiny. You can't get smaller than a millimeter. Next up, we've got those things as big as your thumbnail, which are centimeters. Centi meaning 100. 100 in a meter. Centimeters. And then we've got meters, of course. 1 meter. 1 meter. It's probably about as big as your arms apart is 1 meter. We measure big things with meters like cars or trees. We measure how tall people are in meters. We actually measure people in how tall they are in meters and centimeters. But meters are the big ones. And then we've got the biggest of all, we've got a kilometre or kilometre. 1 kilometre, how we measure roads or distances, very long spaces. Kilometre, kilo meaning 1,000 metres. So there's 1,000 metres. Okay, right, so let's have a little recap of how many units are in each one. A millimetre, they're the smallest, just the one. 1 millimetre. There are 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre. Okay, these are all things try to remember. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. It comes with practice to remember all these. I'm not expecting anyone to remember everything straight away, but it's good to keep going over it and good to recapping on it, okay? 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre. So 10 tiny lines, 10 grains of rice in 1 centimetre, as thick as your thumbnail. 100 centimetres in a metre. So 100 thumbnails in a metre, okay? And then there's 1,000 meters in a kilometre, okay? A kilometre, kilometre, kilo meaning 1,000. Can you see how it goes up there? 10, 100, 1,000. It's going up in multiples of hundreds, isn't it? Of multiples of 100? No, multiples of 10. 10, 100, 1,000. It's then going up. It's going up, isn't it? 10, 100, 1,000. Cool. Right, quick question for you. How many meters are in 1 kilometre? How many meters are in 1 kilometre? Can you remember? I've just mentioned it. Can you remember how many meters are in 1 kilometre? Now, meters are the big ones. They're not the really big ones. They're the big ones. Big as your arms apart. Probably about as big as this shed. It's not very big. How many of those meters are in a kilometre? Let me know. How many do you think? Can you remember? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arthur's got it. There's 1,000, isn't there? There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Remember that kilometer? That means 1,000 meters. Okay, that's the best way to think about it. Kilometer, kilo or kilo means 1,000. 1,000 meters. Okay, 1,000 in 1 kilometre. Well done. 1,000 metres in kilometre. Well done. Right. How many metres are in 4 kilometres then, clever clogs? How many do you think? How many do you think there is? How many metres are in 4 kilometres? How many of these are in 4 kilometres? Quite a long way, 4 kilometres. Quite a long way. A lot of people run 5Ks. Oh, I'm off to do a 5K. That means they're running 5 kilometres. A long way. A lot of metres. How many metres are in 4 kilometres? How many do you think? Think of that ratio. 1 kilometre. Whoopsie. 1 kilometre. Whoops. 1 km to 1,000 metres, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, today's it gone off the page. 1,000 metres. So how many is there? Of course. Well done, everybody. 4,000. Yeah, 4,000 metres in 4 kilometres. That is a lot of metres. If you think when you step, you take about a metre each time you step, depending on the size of your legs, obviously. But it's about a metre a step. 4,000 steps. That's a long way. Woo! Right, next one. How about this one? 6 kilometres. How many metres are in 6 kilometres? 6 kilometres. How many do you think then, guys? 6 kilometres. How many have you got? Let me know. What do you think, guys? What do you think, man? 6 kilometres? Of course, it is going to be 6,000, isn't it? 6,000! Whoop, 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 whoop. It's 6,000 metres. 6,000 metres. Of course, there's 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. 6,000. Well done, all those people getting 6,000 at home. You can see that pattern. Hey, maths is all about patterns, isn't it? Right, trickier question for you now. How many metres are in half a kilometre? How many metres are in half a kilometre? Okay. Think about how long a kilometre is. How many metres that is. And we need half of it. Okay. How many metres are in half a kilometre? This is hard stuff. I must say, this is probably beyond Key Stage 1 work. We would not tend to touch this in Year 2. We certainly wouldn't really touch it in Year 3. This is like Year 5, 6 level, you know what I mean? You guys are doing a super job. So, how many metres are in half a kilometre? Well, what's our total amount of kilometres? Well, it's 1 kilometre, isn't it? What's our total amount of metres? Well, it's 1,000. So we need to work out what half of 1,000 is. Oh, you guys are superstars. Me trying to explain it to you all, and you're writing it in the comments box. Of course, it is 500 metres. Excuse me. Well done, everybody. Of course, if it's asking us to what half a kilometre is in metres, well, we know that a full kilometre is 1,000. We need to half it or divide it by 2, which gives us 500. 500 metres. Well done, everybody. Superstars. Well done, well done, well done. Right, we're going to think about this question together. You're more than welcome to write this out on your whiteboard and give this a go. We're going to work this one out together, okay? So, it says here is a strip of orange paper. Okay, a strip of orange paper. It's a small strip or a piece of orange paper. A blue strip is 4 times longer than the orange strip. So that blue piece is 4 times bigger than the orange strip, okay? The strips are joined end to end, which means they're put together and they're joined end to end. And it totals 50 centimetres there. And it's asking us, how long is the orange strip? Okay, and then it's also asking us, how long is the blue strip? Okay, right. Let's have a little think about this one. Let's have a little work out. Okay, so here's a strip of orange paper, A blue strip is 4 times longer than the orange strip. The strips are joined together end to end, and it's a total of 50 centimetres. How long is the orange strip? Okay, let's work this one out first. Okay, so we don't know how long the orange strip is to start with, but we do know it's 4 times as big. So I'm going to try and draw out something that's going to help me here. Here's my orange piece. Times by 4. Okay? So something times by 4 is going to give me that blue strip. Okay, so the the orange times by 4 is going to give me the length of the blue strip. Okay, but I know together the blue strip and the yellow strip, the orange strip, I keep saying yellow. Those are a total of, they equal 50 centimetres. Okay? How are we going to work that one out then? Well, let's break this down. Okay, so looking at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to then think about, well, that strip, when we add the orange and the blue together, is split into 5 parts, isn't it? Because what it's saying is that the yellow strip times by 4 would equal the blue bit. And then the blue bit and the orange bit, which is the one bit on its own, is going to total 50. So we need to split split the blue into 4 equally. Well, a number that would split equally into 4 would be 40, wouldn't it? 40, and that would then leave us 10, so then each part would be equal. 40 would work perfectly, which would mean the orange would be 10. 10 times 4 equals 40, 40 and 10 equals 50. Well done if you got that at home. Brilliant stuff. So how long is the orange strip? The orange strip is 10. And how long is the blue strip? The blue strip would be 40. Brilliant. Well done if you got that at home. Tricky problem solving. It's all about how we get to the answer and what clues are in the question. Okay, let's have a little look over what it's suggesting to us. So the orange strip is 10 centimetres long and the blue strip is 40 centimetres long. Okay, we're thinking about how we can split that 50 into 5 equal parts. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, now it's your turn to complete this on your own, on your piece of paper, alright? So I'll read it to you nice and slowly, we can go over it as well. So there are 3 teddies in a box. A brown teddy is 15 centimetres taller than the yellow teddy. The yellow teddy is 3 centimetres shorter than the pink teddy, and the pink teddy is 42 centimetres tall. How tall are the brown and yellow teddies? How much taller is the brown teddy than the pink teddy? Okay, lots of questions there, lots of information, okay? Let me break it down for you to make it a little bit easier for you to digest. Okay, we've got 3 teddies. We've got a brown teddy, a yellow teddy, and a pink teddy, okay? Here's my pink one. Now, I'm not going to draw these to scale, because that would be giving it away. There's a yellow teddy, and we've also got a brown teddy. I don't have a brown, but he can be orange. Okay, so we've got 3 teddies, and it says some information about these teddies. The pink teddy is 42 centimetres tall. The yellow teddy is 3 centimetres shorter than the pink one. Okay, so the yellow one is shorter than the pink one by 3 centimetres. And the brown teddy is 15 centimetres taller than the yellow. Okay. How tall are the brown and yellow teddies? That's your first question. And the last one says, how much taller is the brown teddy than the pink teddy? I would love you to have a go at this on your own, okay? Draw out the teddies. You've got lots of information in there. Pink teddy's 42 centimetres tall. The yellow teddy is 3 centimetres shorter than the pink one. The brown teddy is 15 centimetres taller than the yellow teddy. You should be able to work out how tall each of these teddies are. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. I'm going to go over the answer, okay? If it's too tricky, don't worry. Give it a go. Find out what you can know already. Draw a little picture, whatever helps you, okay? Give it a go. Nice one, Arthur. I love that emoji. You ready? Let's give it a go. 2 minutes on the clock. Off you go. Brilliant stuff, everybody. How did he get on? Have you worked it out? Have you got an answer? Hey, doesn't matter if you're not too sure. We can work this one out together, okay? Lots of information there. Quite confusing, actually, some of that as well. The way they've worded the question can be quite tricky. But actually, I think we know our lengths and we know our adding and our taking away. And I think you guys could have broken that down and worked that one out on your own. Let's go through it and let's see how we got on. So, we know that the pink teddy is 42 centimetres tall. That's a fact. It's written in there. It's a brilliant fact. There's nothing else we need to do to that. That is awesome. We've got that in our head. Brilliant. I've drawn that out there. My teddy, the pink one on the left-hand side, is a teddy that's 42 centimetres tall. Now, it says the yellow teddy is 3 centimetres shorter than the pink teddy. So I need to do a little sum there, don't I? I need to do a little sum. I need to do a 42 take away 3. That will then give me the total length, or the height, sorry, of the yellow teddy. So 42 take away 3. I'm going to put 42 in my head and count back 3. 42, 41, 40, 39. Brilliant. 39. So 39. I now know the yellow teddy is 39 centimetres tall, because it's centimetres. Now, the grey teddy, sorry, it's actually the brown teddy, but I don't have a brown, so I've made him grey. The brown teddy is 15 centimetres taller than the yellow teddy, okay? This one relies on you knowing what the height of the yellow bear is, okay? You've got to know that, because then you've got to do another sum. You've got to do the 39 add 15. Whoops, add 15, okay? It's not adding it to the pink bear. Okay, you've got to add it to the yellow one. So you've got to get that bit right to get the next bit right, okay? So we're going to find it says 15 centimetres taller than the yellow teddy, and taller meaning I need to add it on, whereas shorter meaning I need to take it away. 39 add 15. Okay, well, I'm not too sure how to do that in my head. Well, I can do 9 add 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That gives me 14, adding the units. And then I'm going to add the tens. 30 and another 10 gives me 40. I'm going to put those two together. 40 and 14, 54. Gives me a total of 54. 54 centimetres. 54 centimetres. Awesome! 54, 54, 54, 54, 54, 54, 54, 54. Excellent! So how much, and then it says how tall are the brown and the yellow teddies? Well, the brown teddy is, the brown teddy is 54 centimetres tall, and the yellow teddy is 39 centimetres tall. How much taller is the brown teddy than the pink teddy? Okay, right, well, we need to work out the difference between 42, the pink one, and 54, the brown one. The way that we work out the difference, the way that I like to do it is I can do a frog jump up, or you could take the biggest number away from the smallest number. I've only got a little bit of space, so I'm going to take it away. 54, take away 42. Okay, 52, take away 42, because I'm taking away the brown bear's height. I'm taking away the pink bear's height from the brown bear, and that will give me what the difference is between the two. 54 take away 52, well, let me break this down. The units, 4 take away 2 is 2. And 5 take away 4, or 50 take away 40, is going to leave me 1, which gives me 12. So how much taller is the brown teddy than the pink teddy? He is 12 centimetres taller. Let's have a little look. There we go. The yellow teddy is 39 centimetres tall. The brown teddy is 54 centimetres tall. And the brown teddy is 12 centimetres taller. Brilliant stuff, everybody. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Brilliant stuff. Awesome. I love that we can tackle those now, that we are up to a level where we can understand and tackle problems that are like that. It's tricky. There's multiple ways of attacking those sums. But hey, you've done it. Brilliant job. Well done. Marshmallow claps all round. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, ah, ooh. Ooh, da, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh. Right, let's keep going. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Oops, daisy. Let me get rid of all this maths stuff, because we don't need our maths anymore. We've done our maths. Come on, Mr. Bates. Let's get rid of it. Bye, maths. Bye. Because, of course, it is now time for a little bit of
English.
Of course, it's time for a little bit of English. Well done. This one we're having a quick break. Have a little sip of your water. Have a little sip of your tea. Don't forget, do subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. Lots of content will be going up very soon. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell to get notifications of when we go live. We've got lots of exciting things in the pipeline, particularly going into the autumn term. Obviously, we will all be going back to school in September. Well, most of us will be anyway. But the shed school will continue at some stage. I don't want to give you too much information, but make sure you do subscribe to the YouTube channel to make sure that you are at the forefront of all the shed school activities. Okay, you ready? I think I'm hydrated. I'm ready for a little bit of English. Let's give it a go. Okay, lovely stuff. A little bit of English. Anglais. Okay, super. So today we are going to be looking at days of the week. Days of the week. Now, I'm sure lots of you already know your days of the week, but we're just going to recap them. So, it's really important, actually, days of the week, because we use them, we write them pretty much every day. Especially if we're at school, we're always writing the day at the top of our work. So it's really important that we know what comes first, what comes last, how they work, how many there are of them. It's amazing, some children still don't know what day comes after Saturday, or day comes after Sunday. They go, Mr. Blaze, I don't know what day is next. So it's really important that we know the order that they come in, and how to spell them and things like that as well. I spent most of my childhood not spelling Thursday correctly. So I really struggle with spelling Thursday. I know, it's crazy, right? So, Monday, start of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then obviously then the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, there are a total of 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week, 52 weeks in a year, 365 days in a year. I think that's right. 365 and a quarter days. 364 days. I need to check that now. How many days are in a year?
Sorry, Ashley.
What? How many days in a year?
It's 365.24 days.
365. I thought it was. I always get confused now. 365 days in a year. Actually, 365 and a quarter days because we have a leap year every 4 years. Yes. And that's the distance it takes for the sun to go around the moon. around the earth. No, I don't know. I can't remember. That's science. We'll come back to that another time. Anyway, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, we're looking at days of the week. So what day comes after Tuesday? Hey, I've dropped you straight in it there. What day comes after Tuesday? Quick question, have a think. What day comes after Tuesday? Can you remember? That was quick. I tried to catch you off guard then, with me waffling about science and moons. It's Wednesday, isn't it? It's Wednesday. Now, this is what I'm talking about. It's being able to pick out dates straight away. In maths and in English, particularly maths, lots of questions in exams and things will try and catch you out with regards to days of the week. How many days until Wednesday? It was Tuesday. How many days until Wednesday? Okay, so it's really important that we know the order of them. What day comes before Saturday? What day becomes before Saturday? What day becomes before Saturday? What do you think? What do you think at home? Day becomes before Saturday? Well, I know Saturday's tomorrow, which it is. So what day comes before Saturday? We're on it right now. It's Friday. Of course it is. Well done, everybody. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, 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 Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. What day comes 4 days before Friday? Okay, what day comes 4 days before Friday? Have a think. Have a think. Have a think. You know, what do you think? Have a think. Have a think. Think. What day comes 4 days before Friday? So Friday and ahead. We need to count back 4 days. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Counting back is so important when it comes to dates as well. Brilliant. Of course, it's Monday. Well done to everybody who's got Monday. Of course, it is a Monday. Well done, well done, well done. Now, how many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? I mentioned it earlier. How many days are in a week? If you're not sure, count them up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. How many are there? Of course, it's 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What else do we notice about the days of the week? What else do we notice about the days in the week? Well, they all have the word day in, don't they? They've all got day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? They all have that word day at the end. So you don't have to worry about half of that because you know how to spell day and it's in there. What else do we notice? Well, they all have capital letters. Days of the week have to have capital letters. Same as months of the year. They have to have capital letters. Months, names, places have to have a capital at the beginning. They are proper nouns, okay? Well done. Awesome stuff, guys. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Oh, hang on. Need some music. I love the music. Here you go. Marshmallow clap. Brilliant stuff. Well done, well done, well done. Awesome. Look, days of the week are really important. Obviously, I know lots of you already know them and we're going through them, but it's really important that we do recognise what day of the week is, how a day of the week works, and how many days there are, what order they come in, all right? So, your little task for the next 2 minutes is as follows. I would like you to write out the days of the week, but I would like you to start at Sunday and work backwards. Okay? Start at Sunday and work backwards. I would like you to write out the days of the week backwards. Okay, backwards. You ready? I'm going to give you 2 minutes. All good? Off you go. Go. Oh, Mr. Monkey. Not Mr. Monkey. He's that one.
We're going to the shed school. Shed school. We're going to the shed school. Shed school. We're going to the shed school. Shed school.
That's better. 2 minutes, off you go. Write the days of the week backwards for me, starting at Sunday. Awesome stuff. Well done, everybody. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Awesome stuff. All good? Excellent. Really important that we can do that and understand our days of the week. So brilliant, brilliant stuff. You guys are awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Sorry, I should stop singing. Brilliant. Right, we've got one final little bit to do today. We are nearly at the end of the show. Of course, we need to do a little bit of... phonics indeed. We need to do a little bit of phonics just to get our mind tank thinking about some new sounds that we might not have come across before. It's really good to practice our phonics. Our sound today is a-wa. Now a-wa together make an aw sound. Can you say that? Aw. 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 Brilliant, well done. Well, we're going to sound out a few today. We're going to sound them out and we're going to think about how many sounds we can hear, and then I'm going to get you to write them in a second, alright? First of all, put your hands up. We're going to stamp the sound on our fingers. We're going to think about how many sounds there are, and our focus today is that aw sound. Okay, you ready? First one, repeat after me. S, aw, saw. You'll go. How many sounds can you hear? S, aw, saw. There's two, isn't there? Two sounds. S, aw. Sorry, singing. Saw. Oh, there we go. Oh, lovely. A lovely sound. Oh, there. Perfect. Awesome. Next one. J, or, jaw. Your go. Brilliant. How many sounds can you hear there? Awesome. J, oh, there we go. There's 2 sounds, isn't there? 3 letters. J, or. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff. Okay, another one. Next one. Hands up. I'll sound it out, then you go. Y, on. Yawn. You'll go. How many sounds can you hear there? 3, isn't it? Brilliant. Y, on. Perfect. There's our sound in the middle. Or, y, on. Yawn. Brilliant. One more then. Hands up. I'll stamp them on. Remember, I'll go, then you go. D, on. Dawn. You'll go. How many sounds we got there? How many letters? Brilliant, of course, there we go. D, on, dawn. That lovely or sound in the middle. It's funny, isn't it? What makes an or sound? But dawn, yawn, jaw, saw. Brilliant stuff. All right, you ready? Your turn to spell them now. Okay, I'm going to say them. You sound them out. Now you can either do this in your head or do it out loud. I recommend you do this out loud and then write them down, okay? Let's see if we can get all 4 correct, all right? If you're sounding out correctly, you should be able to get these, okay? Remember, our sound today is wa, or. Your first one, please write for me, jaw, jaw, jaw. Okay. Jaw. Next one. Saw. Saw. Think about that sound that you can hear there. Saw. Saw. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3. You ready? Yawn. Yawn. That lovely or sound in the middle there. Yawn. Sound them out if you're not sure. Okay? That's number 3. And number 4, our final one for today. You guys have honestly done a fantastic job. I'm really, really proud of everyone today. Really awesome stuff. Actually, this week you've been fantastic. Last one. Dawn. Dawn, like the crack of dawn. You also have people called Dawn. 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 Okay? All good? I hope so. You guys have been rocking it. You've been rocking it. You're flicking it. You're checking it. Okay, you ready? Let's find out. How many of you got right? Remember, give it a tick if you got it right. If you got it wrong, doesn't matter. Think about that or sound. There we go. Number 1 was jaw. Number 2 was saw. Number 3 was yawn. Number 4 was dawn. And there we go. That's your lot. How many did he get out of 4 today? Did he get all 4? Brilliant. You guys are so good at this. You excellent stuff. Awesome sauce. Well done, everybody. Fantastic job today. Hey, we've done it. We've done the week. Brilliant. Hey, we've totally smashed the pants off this week. It's been awesome. Marshmallow claps indeed. Brilliant stuff. Big special thanks to our partners, Twinkle, www.twinkle.co.uk, and the fantastic Whiterose Maths, www.whiterosemaths.com. Awesome, wicked, wiki, wah, wah, west. Brilliant stuff, guys. You honestly have done such a fantastic job today. I'm really, really proud. Really, really proud of every single one of you because you're so cool and you're great. And now you can go and enjoy your weekend. You can go enjoy your weekend. Go do what you like now. Have a party, go camping, whatever you want to do. Obviously, make sure you check your mums and dads first and don't just have a party without them because they might be a little bit angry. Anyway, let's see what this guy's doing this weekend. Of course, it's a main man indeed. It's Mr. Monkey! Mr. Monkey, what's happened? You've lost a shoe again. I know you've lost a shoe. You've also lost your hat. I know, you've lost your hat, you've lost your shoe. You're a mess. You're a mess, mate. It's because you're working hard. When were you working hard? Yesterday. Oh, right. What were you working hard on yesterday? The Mr. Monkey Magic Show. Oh, of course, yeah, the Mr. Monkey Magic Show, of course. For any of you that did have tickets for the Mr. Monkey Magic Show, last week, unfortunately, because of the weather, it was far too hot in here to stream, and it failed, unfortunately. But we have recorded the whole show for you, and I've sent you a link via your email. You should have a link now. All I ask, please don't share it around. That link is for you to watch over the next 7 days. Now, if you didn't get tickets and you would like to see the Mr. Monkey Magic Show that we recorded yesterday, it's awesome. It's really good fun. It's a lot of fun. You're crazy in it. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Yeah, say hello. Yeah, this guy's crazy. Yeah, of course. If you would like to watch the show, just drop me an email, info@theshedschool.co.uk. Tickets are on sale. I can get you a ticket and send you the link for you to be able to watch the show. What a perfect way to spend a Friday night watching a Shed School production and this guy doing some crazy magic. Awesome. So if you would like to, like I said, drop me an email, info@theshedschool.co.uk, and I can send you the link. Anything else we need to tell the boys and girls? No. What? Have a great weekend. Well, they're going to have a great weekend anyway. What are you doing this weekend, Mr. Monkey? Eating bananas. You're always the same. Always the same. Eating bananas every time. Do you ever spend a weekend not eating bananas? No, I didn't think so. Well, that's good. We need to find your hat. Oh, yeah, it's in the case. I can see it now. What? Doesn't fit you. Oh, there's my weekend, trying to fit a hat to your monkey. Okay, good. Anything else we need to tell the boys and girls? No, just enjoy your weekend, really. Have a really, really fun weekend. And we will see you on Monday. Our final week. Oh, no. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. It's our last week. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine? There's 6 weeks. 6 weeks worth of work. Last week, next week. Don't cry. Stop crying. Ow, don't hit me, though. Ow, stop it. Ow, stop it. Ow, 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 stop it. Don't need to hit me. Thank you. I know you're upset, but we'll be back. We'll be back, won't we? Of course we will. We'll see you all on Monday, guys. All right, have a wicked weekend. Stay safe. Stay creative. And enjoy your weekend. We'll see you Monday, 10 o'clock. Say bye. Bye, everyone.